Alright, to grid off your paper for the grid drawing assignment, you're going to begin by taking your yardstick and you're going to place it against the edge of your paper with the edge of the ruler in line with the edge of your paper. And you are going to grid the paper off into 2" by 2" squares. So using a 4H pencil, you're going to put marks along the bottom of the paper at every 2 inches. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. And then you're going to take the ruler and bring it up to the top of your paper. And again, make sure the edge of your ruler is in line with the edge of your paper. And you're going to do the same at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. And then you're going to take your ruler and line it up against your points. And using a very light pressure behind the pencil, do not put any pressure behind the pencil at all, very lightly draw your lines all the way from one edge of the paper to the other edge. You do not want to press hard with the pencil because you will put an indentation in your paper, and then when you try to shade over that mark with charcoal, you will see a line showing through your charcoal. Make sure that you have your ruler right up against your marks. And then to create your grid lines going in the other direction, pick up your paper and turn it. And then again, place the edge of your ruler right in line with the edge of your paper. So check to make sure that it's perfectly lined up. And then again, put a mark at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And then you're going to do the same along the top of your paper. Line up the edge of the ruler with the edge of your paper and put a point at every 2 inches. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And then make sure that your ruler is lined up exactly with your marks, and draw your lines from the top edge of the paper all the way down to the bottom edge of the paper, and keep your grid lines as light as you can make them. And when you are finished, if you did this correctly, you should have 10 rows of squares with 8 squares in each row for a total of 80 squares.